Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create cutout sticker not showing on Instagram. So if you don't have if this option or feature that do not show on your app, you can try to access the Play Store or App Store first. You can open the Instagram app on Play Store and try to update it. So the last update is on 25 November of 2024. This is on my device, and the last version is this one, 357.0.057.89. So after the update, you can hold the Instagram app icon and go to the application info. In order to clear the cache, you can go to the storage usage. Just tap clear cache and you can consider to clear the data, but you need to re-log in into your account. So after that, now you can open the Instagram and try to create your story by tap plus button, tap story, and now you can create the story. And here you can tap on sticker option and try to search the cutouts. So here I already find the cutouts. You can tap it and choose the cutout image that you want to create the stickers. If this option not show, you can try to reinstall the Instagram app. Now you can use the sticker. So let's try to repeat again. You can tap on Play Store and try to update your Instagram app. And after the update, don't forget to hold the application info and tap on storage usage. You can clear the cache and you can consider to clear the data, but you need to re-log in. And now you can use these cutout stickers by tap the stickers icon and use the cutouts. So feel free to try to use this filter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.